Your Honor, these allegations are false. The victim has came forward and said that she lied. Your Honor,
all right, I'll
she
see
is
Mr.
my
Phipps here
fiance.
all right, this is 252470FY, the People versus Michael Phipps.
Good morning to you and your staff. Jonathan Jones, 52920, appearing on behalf of with Mr. Phipps. Thank you for letting us do this remotely. Obviously, we consent. To the arraignment, Your Honor, I'm going to acknowledge receipt of the general, waive his formal reading, and send a mute.
All right, I'm a little concerned about these allegations and the fact that Mr. Phipps doesn't, I mean, he's not in custody, but he's going to have some significant bond conditions.
Excuse me.
Michael, be quiet, please. Judge, if I may, I understand where you're coming from, but I want you to know as an officer of the court that the complainant has reached out to me independently. I'm going to leave it at that. He has not had any contact with her. He will not have any contact with her. I want the record to reflect that the court scheduled this. We're grateful. We're here. He's absolutely not a flight risk, and the conditions of no contact have been respected and will remain in that manner.
Jonathan.
Yeah.
Michael,
No,
please,
I mean,
do not speak.
Mr. Phipps, it's my, listen, you have an attorney. If you want to say something to the court, you're free to do so, but you have a right to remain silent. You have a right to have counsel. So is there something you need to say?
Yes, there is something. Yes,
okay,
there is something that I need to say.
Good, tell me.
Well, I would like to talk to my attorney real quick because evidently he's not aware of anything.
Oh, he's not aware of anything. All right, you know what? You need to be here in person today. You have until the end of the day.
Your Honor.
Judge,
I need you in person at the 23rd District Court in person by the end of the day. I can put you two in a breakout room. You're coming in person. I'll see you in a little while.
Judge, I cannot be there in person. I'm scheduled
Your
to
Honor.
1 o'clock, and today is the Jewish holiday. I cannot be there in person.
Why can't
well,
you
your
call
client
me?
can.
Well, that's fine, Your Honor, but I'm not going to be able to be here with him. I'd like to get him arraigned now. He and I can speak.
No, I want him. He is charged with a home invasion first degree.
Your Honor, can I speak,
He is
please?
charged with a home invasion first degree. He is charged with.
Your Honor, can I please speak?
I'm not. Do you hear me talking?
Yes, ma'am.
He is charged with a 20-year felony. He is charged with assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. He is charged with domestic violence. He is charged as a 4th habitual offender. He has multiple prior assaultive convictions. I want him here in person. I said what I said. I said what I said. Make it happen.
Your Honor, can I speak, please?
You have until 3:30 to turn yourself into the court.
Your Honor, can I please speak, please? Please say something, please.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, these allegations are false. The victim has came forward and said that she lied. Your Honor,
all right, I'll
she
see
is
Mr.
my
Phipps
fiance.
Here by 3 o'clock today.
She is my fiance, Your Honor.
Who's that with you, Mr. Phipps?
This is
who's over to the side of your camera? Who's
Jasmine, my wife, my soon-to-be wife, Your Honor. That's why I needed to talk.
I said what I said. You're to be in this court in person for your arraignment by 3:30 this afternoon. And your attorney can appear via Zoom. Call your lawyer. I'll see you by 3:30. All right, we're on record. This is 252470FY, the state of Michigan versus Michael Phipps. Don't look at her.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nora Alley on behalf of the people.
All right, Mr. Jones, can I get your appearance?
Good morning to you, staff and sister counsel. I'm Jonathan Jones. I represent Mr. Phipps, who's standing before him in front of you. We're here to get him arraigned.
All right, so it's the time and date set for arraignment. Mr. Phipps was on Zoom. He wanted to talk over his attorney. He is charged with a felony punishable by up to 20 years, a home invasion first degree. He's also charged with an assault with intent to commit great bodily harm. So he's got a 10-year felony and a 20-year felony. And that is not an arraignment that should ever be happening over Zoom, in my opinion. So Miss Alui and Mr. Jones, I assume you two have discussed this matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
We have.
I did advise that I will not be seeking to dismiss at this time. I do need time to review, considering these charges are so severe. And we would just set a date for PCC.
Okay, sir, you have a right to remain silent and you should exercise it.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney, and you have a right to have that attorney present during any future questioning and any future court hearings. In the event you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. I see you have Mr. Jones as retained counsel on this case.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Jones, are you retained? I assume you're retained.
I am, Your Honor. Thank you. Obviously, when it's time, I'd like to address this.
All right, you have 2 dates within the next 21 days. First is your probable cause conference. That's set for September 29th of 2025. Following that, you have a preliminary exam. That will be an in-person hearing. It's currently set for October 15th of 2025 in person at the 23rd District Court. Now, as to bond, I mean, Miss Louise, the victim want contact with him?
I did speak to her. She is okay with contact.
We live together, Your Honor, sir.
It does look like this was a warrant that was charged while he was out of custody, and they have been in contact, and she said she's okay with it.
Judge, may I
Mr.
address the court?
Jones,
Yes, Your Honor. May I address the court?
go ahead.
Okay. First, I'd like to apologize for his impulsive behavior earlier today. He knows better, and hopefully that won't happen again. As to the bond, as I wanted to express to you earlier, the complainant had sent me a letter, in essence, retracting and explaining what she said. I forwarded that letter to sister counsel and read it to her. She has that. I think more to the point, she's talked to her. My understanding is the client explained that she's not in any fear, doesn't perceive any danger, and would like him to be around. I thought we were only set for arraignment today because that's what it said on the court.
Well, we were, but when I have a GBH, strangulation, and a home invasion, first degree, I mean, that should never be on Zoom. I mean, there's not much more serious besides murder.
I'm not arguing that point with you. I just want to point out to you that it was scheduled on Zoom. It had nothing to do with me. I just want to make sure that that's understood.
I'm not blaming you, Mr. Jones. It's just, it shouldn't be. So now we're done with
we live, we learn, we move on. In any event, I'm going to ask you to release him on a personal bond. Obviously, no assault contact anywhere. And we'll be back to deal with this next Monday. I've got a bunch of other stuff up, but we'll have to deal with it then. Any other information I can provide, sister counsel, I will.
All right, I'll just say this. These are just allegations. You're presumed innocent. I know Miss McKinney's present in the courtroom. There are all kinds of studies that show if a man puts his hands on your neck, he is statistically much more likely to kill you. But I can't control. I mean, Miss Louie, it sounds like you want some time to review the case, so I'm just going to set a probable cause conference. And your complaining witness wants contact.
That is what I was told, Your Honor.
He has a no assaultive contact complaining witness. I mean, it sounds like this case is you don't have a cooperative witness, or she doesn't want to go forward on the case. So I'm inclined to give a personal bond on a case I would never give a personal bond on, because it just doesn't sound like you have a $30,000 personal bond. You're not to have any assaultive contact with Jasmine McKinney. If I find out that you so much as yell at her, I will put you in jail.
Yes, ma'am.
1 o'clock on
I mean,
Zoom
an
next Monday.
arraignment on a home invasion, I would normally do in person because the individual would at a minimum get a tether. But a probable cause conference bond's been set. We're doing the probable cause conference 9/29 at 1 p.m. These are via Zoom. All right, we're all set.
I apologize.
It's okay, just cool it. What, wait, who are we here on? Whose violation is today? All right. Oh, Mr. Verdute, you're here to cause some trouble, I see. This is 250941, the people versus Jessica Glask, Jazerski. All right, go ahead, counsel.
James Gazicki on behalf of Mr. Jazerski. I just received a file today, and she's gone over her rights. There's no question regarding her rights, but we're requesting a hearing in this matter. I'm asking the court for an adjournment so I can review the file and be brought up to date in this matter.
All right, well, where you should start is you should ask Ms. Wagaman to play you the audio of a call that was submitted to her where Ms. Wagaman contacted the defendant about not having any contact yet again with the complaining witness. And she hung up with him and then immediately called the complaining witness and had a phone call based on her call with Aaron. That might be a good, I'll adjourn it, Mr. Gizicki. I'm just telling you that might, you don't have to go into it too much. You could just listen to that call. She has a no contact order. How many times do I have to tell you that? How many times?
I understand.
No, you don't understand. Because no, and what did I tell you? What did I tell you when he calls you? What did I say? And what'd you do? Instead, talk. You are not supposed to be talking to him by my court order. And this is the second time I've seen you. And the last time I said, this is ridiculous. Don't cry now. Last time I said, this is ridiculous because he's contacting her and these two are going back and forth. And then I counseled you and said, do not respond to him. If you respond to him, I'm going to put you in jail. There's no contact. And you can't listen. I mean, you can't. And Mr. Verdute, don't think you're cute because I'll see you next week on a violation. Am I seeing him this week?
No, he'll be here next week.
He'll be here next week. You two are toxic. And this is what's irritating me. You're wasting time on the criminal justice system's time on whatever you two have going on between you. You're wasting the time of the courts. You're using the criminal justice system. Mr. Verdute, I'm looking at you. You're using the criminal justice system to deal with your two little petty problems. That's what you're doing. And I'm tired of it. And what's becoming clear to me is that maybe probation's not suitable for either of you on your cases. And maybe it'd be best if you just do your jail time and we get this over with, because I am not going to play this game. I'm not going to ask Ms. Wagaman to play this game for much longer. This is it. So we'll set it for a hearing. Mr. Verdute, I assume you'll be recording when she calls you after this hearing. Make sure that Ms. Wagaman gets that, because if you call him in between now and your hearing, you have any contact with him whatsoever, I want to be clear. I am revoking your probation and I am locking you up for 90 days. One time. Do you understand me?
I understand.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
One time. If she gets one thing that is from right now at this moment, at what time is it? 3:57, Monday, September 22nd to next week when we have your hearing, bring your toothbrush and wear a sports bra because you're going to jail. Got it?
Got it.
All right, we'll set it for a hearing. And Mr. Verdute, your violation, you better come in person. Don't show up on Zoom.